One of the benefits of using Langflow is the number of integrations available. So in this case, we are going to look at the models those are available in Langflow, and in particular, we're going to look at the Cohere model. So once we drag and drop the Cohere model, we can see that there are a couple of options. One is the input that comes to this block, and then the API key that we can get from the Cohere console. And then there are a few other settings. One is the temperature that shows up here, but there are also some additional ones available in the advanced settings. So right now what I've done is I've connected the model component with a prompt, and that prompt goes to the chat input, and towards the extreme end, we have the chat output. And what this does is with this setup, now we can chat with the model using a prompt template. And we have seen this in many different examples. So this is a base version that you can start working with to see if everything is working fine. And now I can just hit run. And what happens is we get some output from this model, and then we can look at the messages available. So in this case, we asked to respond as a pirate, and that's what we got back.